What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how far I have come with this engine bay on this Nissan 300CX twin turbo. I've been working on this car trying to make it clean as much as possible, and then I already removed the engine bay harness, and then the next step that I'm trying to do is already delete the brackets that I have. Some brackets up there that I have, I already remove it, and then what I'm trying to do now is delete all the humps that I have from factory, and then after that I'm gonna start welding the little holes. Alright, here we go. This is how I'm gonna delete the humps. I'm gonna use this grinder to cut it, and that way there's gonna be a little flexible so I can smash it back, so I'm trying to get it even. Before I start working on this engine bay, I was trying to find some video where it shows you how to delete these humps, but there is only few of them where it shows you how they have done, but it's really hard to tell how they did, and that's why I'm trying to record this, and hopefully this video helps somebody with his project. And if you are thinking of something like this, good job. Once you already cut it, all you have to do is just hit it with a hammer and try to make it even, and that will be it. And this is how it's done. Look at that. Alright, it's not that bad for the first one, and after we got this one ready, we can continue with the rest of them, and hopefully it comes out really good as this. Alright guys, that's it. And now we are gonna do the second one. We already got one ready. We have 3 more to go. Same way we did the first one, we're gonna cut it and then hit it with a hammer a little bit, and then we're good to go. Right here you're gonna have extra metal that must be cut, so that way you're gonna have everything really nice and even. Alright, this is how it looks after all the cutting that we made to it. I think it looks a little rough, but after we weld it and shape it down with the bundle and all stuff like that, sand it down, I think it will good. It will look a lot better. Once we got that side ready, we're gonna start doing this side too. We're gonna do the same thing as we did the other side. We're gonna cut it, hit it, and try to make it even as possible. It looks like a happy face up there. That's what I think. The Z is happy. Damn. On this side we did the same thing, and look at this, it looks a lot better than the other side, I think. But well, we're still learning, right? Hopefully this video helps somebody up there, whoever is watching. And then this is my first video in English, so please be patient, I'm learning. Really nice, look at that. Alright, now we are ready to start welding all the holes on the engine bay, and also we're gonna start welding all the cuts that we made. And right there on that side you can see how all the hump has disappeared, and looks really good, actually really good. Before we start welding the part that we cut, we gotta clean it and remove all the paint of it. The original paint, we gotta remove it, so that way we're gonna have a clean metal right there, and the welding is gonna be right, and that way we're not gonna have any problem with it. And here we go, my first time welding. Let's see how it works out. Alright guys, this is what it looks like after being welding all the little holes the engine bay have. I think it's not that bad for being my first time welding. I think I did a good job. I don't know, leave it in the comments below what you think about it. And I think we're almost ready to start working with the bundle, make it really smooth for the paint. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.